In a shocking twist that has left fans both heartbroken and intrigued, Amanda Halterman, one of the standout stars of TLC's 1000 LB Sisters, is reportedly stepping away from the hit reality series. The bombshell announcement comes just as Amanda unveiled her brand new podcast, a personal and passion-filled project that seems to be the beginning of a brand new chapter in her life. While Amanda's presence on 1000 LB Sisters was never meant to be the focal point of the show, her fiery personality, unfiltered honesty, and unwavering support for her sisters Tammy and Amy Slayton quickly made her an favorite. Now, it appears Amanda is ready to forge her own path, and fans are scrambling to understand what this means for the future of the series, and for Amanda herself. According to multiple sources close to production, Amanda has been mulling over her departure for months. Insiders say the decision didn't come lightly, and it's not rooted in any bad blood with TLC or her family. Rather, Amanda is said to be chasing a new kind of freedom, one where her voice, opinions, and passions can shine without the constraints of network television. The launch of her podcast, which debuted earlier this month, is a clear indication that Amanda is ready to tell her story in her own words. Titled, The Real Me with Amanda Halterman, the podcast promises deep dives into life behind the scenes of reality TV, her journey with weight loss and self-discovery, and brutally honest conversations about family, fame, and the emotional toll of being in the public eye. Fans of 1000 LB Sisters first met Amanda during some of the show's most emotionally charged moments. She entered the picture as a strong-willed and fiercely protective sister, unafraid to speak her mind and always ready to stand up for what she believed was right. Whether she was confronting medical staff about her sister's care or pushing Tammy and Amy to take their health seriously, Amanda was a force to be reckoned with. Her raw authenticity struck a chord with viewers who were tired of overly scripted reality television. Amanda was real, and it was that realness that earned her a permanent place in the hearts of many. So why is she walking away now, just as her popularity is soaring? According to Amanda herself, it all comes down to growth. In the teaser episode of her podcast, Amanda opens up about how the past few years have been both a blessing and a burden. Don't get me wrong, she says in her signature no-nonsense tone, I'm grateful for the show. I'm grateful for the fans. But I've got stories to tell that don't fit into a 43-minute episode. I've got opinions and experiences that don't always make the final cut. It's time for me to take back the narrative. That statement alone has sent shockwaves across the fandom. Amanda is essentially confirming what many reality TV stars have hinted at for years: what we see on screen is only a fraction of the truth. Amanda's podcast launch event was a surprisingly intimate affair, held in her hometown in Kentucky and attended by close friends, family, and a handful of loyal fans. She used the opportunity to thank her supporters, reflect on the wild ride of reality TV fame, and preview some of the powerful episodes coming up in her podcast. From interviews with mental health experts to solo episodes where she talks about grief, body image, divorce, and self-worth, The Real Me is shaping up to be far more than just a casual side project. It's a deeply personal undertaking, and one that Amanda seems fully committed to. For fans still reeling from the news, there's a mix of emotions. Many are expressing sadness over the idea of Amanda leaving the show, especially given how integral she has become to the family dynamics. Others are celebrating her decision, viewing it as a bold step toward independence and empowerment. Social media has exploded with messages of support, with hashtags like #WeLoveAmanda and #TheRealMepodcast trending across platforms. Some fans are even speculating that Amanda's departure could pave the way for a new spin-off series or a visual version of her podcast. TLC has not confirmed whether Amanda will be featured in any upcoming episodes or whether her departure will be addressed on camera. Meanwhile, insiders say production on 1000 LB Sisters is facing challenges, especially with the uncertainty surrounding several cast members. Tammy Slayton's weight loss journey appears to have reached a major turning point, and Amy Slayton has been dealing with personal struggles, including custody issues, legal matters, and the ups and downs of her romantic life. Amanda's exit, while not necessarily unexpected, adds another layer of instability to a show already walking a fine line between heartwarming transformation and heartbreaking drama. Still, TLC has shown a strong commitment to the Slayton family, and fans remain hopeful that the series will find a way to evolve. Amanda's journey has always been one of strength and resilience. From navigating her own health journey to being the rock that her family so desperately needed during says, she's never shied away from the hard stuff. And that's exactly what she promises to bring to her podcast. In a heartfelt social media post announcing the show, Amanda wrote, "I've lived a life that a lot of people don't know about. And now I'm ready to talk. Not just about my sisters or the show. About me. About being a woman in a world that doesn't always listen. About loving yourself when it feels impossible. This is my story, uncut, unfiltered, and unapologetically real." That message, more than anything, seems to capture the spirit of Amanda Halterman. She's not abandoning her roots or turning her back on the show that introduced her to millions. She's simply growing beyond it. The podcast isn't just a new venture, it's a declaration of independence, a way for Amanda to reclaim her voice and connect with fans on her own terms. Already, early episodes have received rave reviews, with many listeners praising Amanda's vulnerability, candor, and humor. One fan tweeted, "Amanda's podcast feels like a deep breath. She's saying things we've all felt but never heard on the show. It's powerful." As Amanda charts her new course, the rest of the Slayton family continues to navigate their own transformations. Tammy has been more active on TikTok, showing off her dramatic weight loss and post-surgery confidence. Amy, though embroiled in personal drama, remains a central figure and fan favorite. Chris Combs, another beloved sibling, is also reportedly filming new content focused on healthy living. Whether Amanda's absence will leave a major hole in the narrative remains to be seen, but one thing is clear, she won't be forgotten anytime soon. And Amanda isn't closing any doors, either. In her podcast, she hinted that she's not necessarily gone forever. "Never say never," she told fans during a Q&A segment. "I love my family. If the time feels right and the story is worth telling, who knows? I might be back. But right now, I've got something to say, and I need to say it my way." That statement gives hope to fans who aren't ready to let her go and suggests that her journey with 1000 LB Sisters might just be on pause rather than a permanent goodbye. Whether Amanda's podcast will reach the same level of success as the TLC series remains to be seen. But one thing is certain, Amanda Halterman is a woman who refuses to be boxed in. From small-town roots to nationwide fame, from background character to breakout star, Amanda is writing her next chapter with boldness and authenticity. And fans are ready to listen. For now, 1000 LB Sisters will carry on without her, but Amanda's impact will be felt in every episode that follows. Her departure marks the end of an era, but also the beginning of something new, raw, and refreshingly real. Amanda isn't just walking away. She's walking forward, and the world will be watching. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.